The leaders of the two largest democracies in the world are set to meet in person for the first time on Friday. US President Joe Biden will be hosting the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi against the backdrop of the UNGA in the United States. Let's now give you a quick recap of the friendship that the two leaders share.
The first interaction between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the US President Joe Biden was on the 17th of November 2020. The Indian Prime Minister had called up the then President-elect to congratulate him on his victory in the elections. Both leaders reiterated their commitment to the India-US strategic partnership as they discussed their shared priorities and concerns over the pandemic, climate change and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. On the 20th of January this year, Prime Minister Modi congratulated Biden on assuming office and said he looked forward to working together to further strengthen the bilateral strategic partnership.
I, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., do solemnly swear.
While offering his warmest congratulations to Biden, who became the 46th President of the United States, Modi said that he looked forward to working with him. In February, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a second telephone conversation with Biden. Making the announcement on Twitter, Prime Minister Modi said they discussed regional issues, shared priorities and cooperation on climate change. The leaders agreed to strengthen Indo-Pacific security throughout the Quad. Biden noted that India-US ties were held together by a shared commitment to democratic values. Biden extended America's full support to India to battle the second wave of COVID-19 on a call with Prime Minister Modi in April. Biden recounted India's contribution in the US's fight against the deadly disease and said that since India was there for us, we will be there for them. The two leaders engaged via phone call a day after the US announced it would supply raw materials urgently needed for making the Covishield vaccine to boost India's effort to counter the COVID wave. On the 24th of September, Prime Minister Modi will meet Biden at the White House. The two leaders will come face-to-face for the first time after Biden became president last year. Three pressing issues are likely to dominate the agenda: the security situation in Afghanistan, the COVID-19 pandemic, and the implications of the latest security pact of the US, the UK and Australia, AUKUS.
Well, good morning from Australia.
The bilateral is expected to last around 50 minutes, post which both leaders will join the first ever in-person Quad summit. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.